Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Suzuki Swift Sport from Blue Tommy. Well, before I get into the car for today, I do have to apologize for not making a video for like the past week or so because, as you can tell, I'm kind of sick, so haven't been really doing any videos or uploading lately. So yeah, my apologies. I am a bit better now, and I guess I can do a video. So here we have the Suzuki Swift Sport number 61. I just recently got this with the white and blue rally version. Well, I mean, just look at the price tag. In which year is this? 2007. It was $4.95. Now it's $6.95. So yeah, the prices have gone really high. Anyway, down here, Blue Tommy number 61. Suzuki Swift Sport in yellow. And enough of the box right here. Let's get mainly into the car. So now we have all three Swifts, from the red 36 to the yellow 61, as well as a brand new Tomica Suzuki Swift Sport rally car, which is the number 16. Well, anyway, right here with the really cute looking Suzuki Swift, right here with the metallic chrome looking headlights. Yeah, that's actually pretty cute. So first off, we have our 4-studded Tomica wheels. Button wheels, and for the base it's 2006 Suzuki Swift Sport 1:60 scale. As we can see here, there's only one rivet, nothing behind, so yeah. Anyway, for the front right here we have a split grille, so half of it's in black at the two sides, as well as the yellow center right here for the front of the grille wheel. Bumper, we have grayish looking grille right here with a really intricate hexagonal design in there. So it's pretty cool, and my family used to have a Swift as well, so you can kind of bring back some of the memories holding this car, because this is the exact model, I should think. And as well, for this car we have a fully detailed interior as well as darkened transparent blackish windscreen. The interior is black, and then for the side right here we have our chrome silver wheels, and sadly the chrome is fading slightly, but luckily not too much. For our side panel right here, for the base we have black, and then the rest of the car is plain yellow. For the back we have a blacked out windscreen, red rear light tampos, as well as a silver Suzuki Swift badge, and then the Suzuki Sport in silver and red. The boot can open, and you can see more of the interior. For the back bumper right here, we have some silver tampos as reflectors, I should think, dual exhaust pipe, as well as matte black to cover the rest of the exhaust chamber. So yeah, it's a pretty cool looking car. There is an attachment to the base, which connects down here, because there's no rear rivet. There is also a, faintly molded in exhaust cap right here, so that's pretty cool. And the rest of the pillars going around to the front is painted in matte black. So yeah, I do have to say this is a pretty cool car, especially for a normal Suzuki Swift. It's plain with not many details or tampos or whatsoever, but it still looks really nice. And who can't call this thing cute, because this is like the cutest Suzuki that everyone loves, right? So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.